Hi guys, it's Michaela. Welcome to another Project Pan update. I do have somewhat of an exciting update. I finished 2 of the 4 products I thought I was going to finish this month. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let's start off with the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. I used this a total of 13 times this month. This was one of the products I thought I was going to finish this month and I didn't quite make it. Let's see if the camera's going to pick up on it. But yeah, I'm so close to the bottom there. I know that I can probably finish this up within the first couple of weeks of this month. Here are the progress photos, or here's the progress. I got it down to about there this month. So I am definitely, I know I can finish this month for sure. Next, let's go into my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I did use this a total of 9 months this time. I was actually able to mark it this time. And I felt like I got a pretty low marking here, but again, that's over the course of the last few months of use. It's like I have to let the packaging get thinner and then it'll start going down a little bit. So this is kind of hard to figure out the markings for sure, but I'm pretty sure I'm right about there, maybe even a little bit lower. I have been double pumping this lately. Today I just used 1 pump because I didn't really feel the need to do an extra layer of coverage, but I am happy to be seeing progress. We're about halfway there. Hopefully I can finish this by the end of the year. Next, let's go to my first item that I completely finished this month. I completely finished this within the first week and a half of the month, and this is my e.l.f. 16-hour hydrating, or not the hydrating, this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the original one, and I used this a total of, let me see, 5 times this month. I used this a total of 5 times this month, and from the beginning, from when I rolled this into the project, which I believe was in February, to now the end of May, I used this a total of 36 times before I actually finished it, so I'm definitely excited. This next item here, I thought I would have this finished this month. This is the 4th item I thought I'd have finished. It is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter Bronzer Duo. I am panning the bronzer side. I didn't quite finish it. I used this a total of 11 times this month. I can probably finish it this month. I'm going to work really hard at it. I think if I use it enough times this month, I can get this done. But overall, I'm looking forward to rolling this one out. The next item is my Jordana Blush Stick. Just like last month, I only used this a total of 4 times. So, I don't know. My goal, I think at this point, is to just have this, see how much of this I can use by the end of summer, because I do have a fall blush that I want to roll into it come September, October. So I'm just going to see how much I can get this done by the end of summer, and if not, I'm just going to roll it out and put in my fall blush. But here is the progress that I made for this month. 2 of the 4 uses, I did use it on my cheeks and I used it on my lips, and of course I count separate types of uses as 2 separate uses altogether. But I mean, if I could stay consistent at that, I don't think I'll quite finish it by September, so I do want to try and up my uses on that. I'm hoping with just some of the summery tones and the corals and stuff, I'm hoping I can get more than 4 uses out of the month. But I mean, I'm not going to force myself to use something if it's not going to go with the look I want. But let's go ahead and move on to my ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. I used this a total of 10 times this month, not as much as I used it last month, but I mean, it's kind of the same. The pan's kind of the same. There's not really much progress. But again, I don't really have any major goals on this. I just want to see how much I can possibly get done by the time 2021 is up. And on a little side note, baby apparently likes to talk about makeup, so baby just started kicking me like crazy. But now for the final product before I roll 2 new products in, is my Lorac. It's their lip crayon in the shade Mauve. I finally finished this this month. It only took me a total of 5 uses to finish it, but I told you guys I was going to finish it this month, and I did. I am so excited. From the start of the project to now, it took me a total of 41 uses to finish it, and this has been in since January. I have enjoyed it. Will I repurchase this product? I've got a lot of similar shades like this in my lipstick collection already, so maybe not quite this shade, but I do love the formula of the Lorac, I don't know how to pronounce it, lip crayon. And by the way, I forgot to mention, would I repurchase this one? And my answer is, if I needed to, I would. It's reliable. However, there are formulas I do like more than this, so that's one of those things, if I were traveling and I needed a concealer, I would instantly go to pick up this one. So not my favorite, but definitely reliable. Anyway, I try to kind of share whether or not I would repurchase products as I finish them. But let's move into the 2 items I am adding in to replace the 2 items that I'm taking out. So to replace this item here, I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Hydrating Camo Concealer. I marked it right here. I believe that's about where I'm at. I think I can finish this by the end of the year. I think it'll take me most of the rest of the year because this does have more product in it than the other 2 concealers I panned, so I think I can have this done by the end of the year, and I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, kids are playing in the background, but moving on to the item I am using to replace my lip product, and I'm going in with the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in the shade Liar. This is like my perfect nude shade. I absolutely love it. I just decided to put in my all-time favorite shade, so when this is done, I'll probably repurchase this. I feel like I can use this very consistently. I don't think I can use it as a blush shade, like cream blush, because of the fact that it is so nude, but this is definitely my go-to shade of lipstick. I reach this above anything else in my collection, so I think I can finish this in a fairly reasonable amount of time, and it'll probably take me till, I want to say, September, October, maybe November. Just depends. I mean, again, I pick up this lipstick constantly, so I can't use it as a cream blush, so probably I can finish it in a fairly decent amount of time because it is my go-to shade. But here is my starting point. So as you can see, I've got quite a bit till I reach the bottom of the paper. But again, we'll just see, kind of see where we're at in terms of progress. I am happy with this month. I did a lot, my Shop My Stash items this month did have a lot of items that were more on my favorite side, so I did kind of choose those over these. Again, I go out of my way to use these, but I don't use these over other products in my collection. I'm not going to force myself to use them if I have something else that I'd rather use instead. But overall, I'd like to maybe use them more, each of these items, a little bit more times in the month. But again, it just depends on what's in my makeup, what's I put in my Shop My Stash at the time. But I definitely want to stay consistent with using these. And with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.